Here's a top tip for you. How to turn flowers in your garden into cordial. These beautiful flowers are a native Australian species known as Grevillea. They come in a range of different varieties and colours, everything ranging from whites through pinks and oranges all the way to red. They are stunning. And the nectar inside the flower is the reward for birds and insects and animals to cross-pollinate. But birds and animals aren't the only ones who can benefit from that sweet nectar. We can also go up to the flower, tap the nectar onto our hands for a sweet sugar burst. Or, even better, we can take a jug of water up to the flower, mix it through, and make a sweet Grevillea cordial. Now, I've cut a few flowers already just to make things easier. And the nectar's inside the nectary. We take that, put it into the water, shake it around a bit to get that nectar inside, making a lovely Grevillea cordial. So for a sweet, natural drink to wash down the nectar from some of our beautiful Australian native flowers, why not try some Grevillea cordial? Cheers. Oh, that's lovely.